Traditionally, the Vietnamese Banh Mi sandwich is made with baguette. Try my revisited version in a burger style. It's very convincing. Here are the ingredients for 2 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Cut the pork belly into thin slices. Marinate them with a pinch of salt, some ground pepper, half teaspoon of fried spice powder, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. Mix all together. Cover it. Now, season the ground pork with a pinch of salt, some ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of fried spice powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. Mix all together. Cover and let the pork belly and the ground pork for at least 3 hours in the fridge, ideally overnight. The next day, start by preparing the carrot and turnip pickles. Grate the carrot. Peel the turnip. Grate it. Then add 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of white rice vinegar. Mix and let them rest. Cut the cilantro into chunks. Mince the spring onion into thin strips. Cut the cucumber into thin slices. Do the same with the yaw, the Vietnamese pork roll. Remove the juice from the pickles. Take half the ground pork, press it with your hands to form a round shape. Do the same with the other half. Brown the pork belly slices. Put them in a pan heated over low heat for 6 minutes on each side. Remove and put them on paper towels. Also brown the 2 pieces of pork burger on low heat for 7 minutes on each side. Toast the burger buns. The pork burgers are cooked. All the ingredients are ready. I can finalize my burgers. Spread the mayonnaise on the buns. Then put the slices of cucumber, the slices of jaw, the ground pork, the pork belly, the pickles, some cilantro, some spring onion, a few drops of Maggi seasoning sauce. Enjoy the banh mi burger. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.